Hi, I'm Brian Dickinson, and I'm here today to talk about major scales. We all practice major scales from the time we begin playing our instrument. Here we'll be looking at trying to use them to improve our jazz playing. So to do this, we want to look at being comfortable playing different patterns within the major scale. We could start with simple intervals like major thirds. We could also go down that interval. We could play up and down, and down up. Any combinations. We could also do the same thing using different intervals like perfect fourths or fifths or sixths, etc. Another thing we can do with these major scales is look at building triads off each degree. And again, I could go up the triad or down the triad, or a combination of the two. The thing that's going to make these sound like interesting melodies as opposed to exercises is what you do with them rhythmically. So you should practice those major scales, get familiar in every key, and work with some of these little intervallic patterns, triad patterns, four-part patterns, and then try applying them to some standard tunes.